Learn how I took this dresser from drab to fab with DIY paint products. I'm Kathy with Goods and Vintage Treasures, and welcome to my channel. First, I painted the whole piece in Prairie Gray. Next, I mixed Marquee with Blue Iris and just a dab of White Swan to create a purple color, and I put that on in an arch shape starting at the bottom of the dresser. I used a dabbing motion to give it some texture. DIY paint has texture. It's a clay-based paint. Next, I used a little bit of Petticoat pink mixed with a little bit of Kissing Booth, 2 more DIY paint colors. And last, I used White Swan. I put all that on in a dabbing motion. Next, I took those same colors in a swirling motion and I swirled the paint onto the dresser. I used the purple, the pink, and the white, and I swirled it over the textured paint that had dried. Next, I took the Prairie Gray and I swirled it around the ends and the edges of the drawers to give it an aged look. I didn't want the ends to look striped, so I took painter's tape and made large stripes. I painted the base Prairie Gray, and then I used Monet's Garden, which I also used on the top, and I painted the stripes Monet's Garden, which is a green. Now it's time to add some sparkle. I used Golden Ticket, which is our golden liquid patina, and I added it to the pools. It has a finish in it. And I added it to the raised wood parts where there was design on the dressers. I put 2 coats of liquid patina on this to really make it pop. And hang on, we're going to use this gold in an unusual way in a second. For adding a transfer, I used Big Top, which is one of our sealers. I sealed the front and the top and the sides with Big Top. It's good to seal before you use a transfer. Big Top will darken the color, and it actually will look more like it did when it was wet. I used most of the transfers from this pack, which is Painterly Florals. They go on much better if you put a Big Top down first. All the products you've seen here are available at goodsandvintagetreasures.com. The transfers, the paint, and the sealer. And also the Golden Ticket. Next, I took a technique I saw the turquoise iris do. I folded a piece of press and seal and wrapped it around my brayer. Then I rolled my brayer into the Golden Ticket. I wanted to give the piece gold texture. And look at that gold texture. It's perfect. A brand new technique for me. So combining some new techniques of pouncing and blending and aging and adding gold, I created a new piece. I'm really proud of the results. You can do this too. All the products I used are shown here and also in the description. You can purchase all of these things at goodsandvintagetreasures.com. I hope you try some of these new techniques. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the bell, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, which is usually once a week. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and thank you for watching.